What up? Coming to you live from maybe the nicest day I've had in Japan. I think it's almost 80 degrees. When I first got here, it was snowstorms. I want to update you guys on several things. First stop is a supermarket. Let me give you guys a quick tour. This looks like a chocolate cinnamon roll. Maybe some custard donuts. These are actually biscuits. Fun fact, in Japan, all the biscuits have holes in them. We got some croissants. These actually look fresh. Sadly, I only bought 700 yen with me because I came to buy one thing. But of course, we got some fresh sushi. Some fresh strawberries. And you know what's funny about these strawberries? One pack of these is 430 yen. And to all my Americans out there, look how much a carton of eggs costs. So you can get a dozen eggs for $3.22. Strawberries are more expensive than eggs. Here's some of the pastas. So here are some of the snacks. I think when I'm alone, I'm gonna try to like chef something up. I think that'd be some different content for you guys. Nothing crazy. I'm not gonna make a 5-course meal, but I'll buy some chicken or steak or something and make it. Maybe some wings. Here's alcohol beverages. I came here to buy milk because I want to eat some cereal. 900 milliliters of milk is $3.11. It's also not really cold. It's not like in America. This is almost room temperature, but I heard this is because our milk is like has some type of preservative or something inside, or it has to be refrigerated. Because I know some other countries, the milk is also not in the fridge. I can show you guys some cereals, because that's a big thing that Japanese people like. So the only two that are similar that I can name is obviously Tony the Tiger. And then this is chocolate loops. And this is chocolate Rice Krispies. But the rest are relatively healthy, as you can expect from Japan. They also have this, which is pretty cool. So it's jelly and butter on toast. This is, I believe, chocolate and caramel, chocolate and maybe white chocolate. But these are nice. 4-pack for $1.25. And then they have crustless bread. Also pretty cool. And then some fresh food. Chicken nuggets, onion rings, potatoes. I would say there's one thing about Japan where I think I could never live here long term is I don't like seafood. And I'm not a big steak guy. And I like chicken, but I like chicken breast. I'm not really a thigh kind of guy. Popular egg sandwiches. But let me get out of here. We could do a full tour. Comment below if you want one of those. Let me buy my milk. Let me get back to the room. Let me update you guys on a lot of things. Many moving pieces right now. So now that we're back home, let's get into the updates. Let me give you guys a haul of everything that I purchased so far. I've been trying my hardest not to buy things because I don't want to walk around with all this in my luggage if I'm going to be in Japan for another 2 to 3 or 4 months. But there's certain things here that I just couldn't potentially not see again. It was just a great deal. So I found these Suzuki Sport plate covers. What is actually the real name for these? I don't know, but I found these. There's only 2 of them, so it goes to an automatic car. Not the end of the world, but I think this is just cool to have. I got 4 lug nuts. These are going to go on the Tri. These are going to go maybe on some cars that people buy. I just feel like for $67, why not get Ray's lug nuts? Same with these Works ones. I don't see a price on here, but these are probably $60. These are just red ones. I don't think they're anything special, but again, I just feel like if you're going to buy rims, let's also put some, cooler lug nuts to keep the rim secure on there. This is just no reason. Can hold a Pokemon card. It's Pikachu. Has a hat. W. Next, we have a lot of model cars. Most for my mirror walkthrough for me to sell out of. A lot of the things for just Nicholas Jimenez to keep in his K-car hoard. For example, I don't think I'm going to sell this Cappuccino. I've been looking for large model scales of K-cars. And this one might be one of the biggest ones I've seen. So this obviously I had to buy. Supra, it's just like this obviously sells itself. This Beat one, I'd probably sell this. I think it's expensive though. I think I paid $5,500, so that's almost $40. But again, if it's an ABC car, if it's an import legal car, I'm buying it. No questions asked. This is a cool RC. Again, maybe for the horde. Regardless of what I do, Patreon homies are going to get first dibs. But the beds go down, has rims, has lights, remote control. These Acties I already know spoken for, but I could buy more of those. This is a limited edition like Beat Tomica car. We have a Wagonar. This was probably the score of the year. Actually, no, the Jimny's better, but $1. Maybe keep this, maybe sell it. I've had one of these, so it's like, I kind of want to keep it. This Jimny, come on. Also $1. Jimny wide. Look at the graphics. Look at the detail. 220 yen for this. And then Mighty Boy, yellow one, just because why not? This one is already sold to the homie who bought my Mighty Boy. Then we have this Unos Roadster with a cool background. This was like $5. Another Cappuccino. See, like this size, this is also expensive, by the way. All of these were like $3,200. But this size I think is pretty common. I haven't seen one that was that big as the other Cappuccino, so I think I'm keeping that one. And then over here we have a ton of Figaros. I'm not going to say too much, but stay tuned for future videos because maybe I bought a Figaro. Maybe this color. But this is definitely for the Patreon homies. This is going to go on the website. This is going to be sold out the mirror walkthrough. Also very expensive. I think these are maybe $25, but I just feel like if you own a Figaro, you'd pay $40 for this all day, 24/7. Then we have this RC car, Initial D. I got 3 of them. That one's an 8.6. This one's an 8.6. This one's a Civic. Then I got some Moon Eyes bags, just again, out the mirror walkthrough. Some Moon Eyes gloves, out the mirror walkthrough. Again, I really didn't try to go too crazy. I just wanted to buy certain things that I was like, oh, maybe I might not see it again, or it's just a good deal, or I buy a surplus of. Like these Up Garage gloves. I haven't seen them in many stores. This was like $6 each. I think that'd be fine out the mirror walkthrough. You know, I want to sprinkle in JDM things and then obviously Way Before the Fame things. And you can see there's a huge mess. I'm trying to organize everything. And then over here we have a box of parts that I bought for the Tri. I got new speakers. I got 6 sets of H4 LEDs because I feel like whoever buys a car, why not just offer the fact that I can install H4s for you. I got things to clean the windows. I got this for my plates cover. I got flares. I got gloves. I got toolkits. I bought so many things that I'm not going to talk about. But now let's talk about the updates. I also picked up these 2 RC bodies. This is an NB Miata. They're both from HPI Racing. Not sure if that's a famous company out here in Japan, but you guys know Miata fanboy. And then a Spoon kind of inspired EK. Both for $10 each. Maybe I'll get into RC racing. To be honest, I know very little, but being in Japan and being surrounded by it, it's really piqued my interest. Update, different Airbnb, much bigger pile. Let me show you some more highlights. I don't want this to be the focal point of the video, but shout out to my SMX homies. Shout out to my Honda Stepwagon homies. Shout out to another SMX. This is pretty cool. This is also pretty cool. I bought a lot of these. The wind-up cars. So much stuff, man. It's hard to even show you guys everything. But stay tuned, because this is not the highlight of today's video. Alright, so now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this update and everything that's going on right now. So first and foremost, probably the question I've been getting asked the most is update on the Tri. Nick, what happened to the Tri? Is it true what happened to the Tri? And yes, the Tri is currently down for the count. I don't have a concrete update for you guys. My video will be dropping tomorrow. Today I'm posting 2 videos. You guys are watching this early Tuesday morning, and then Tuesday evening I'm gonna post another video, and then the next video will finally be my try video where you'll see my raw emotions. Obviously not happy about what happened. You know, it goes down to the fact that it's a 25-year-old car. And just stay tuned for that video. That's really the most I can say. Update number 2, shout out to everybody on Patreon who's filled out the Google form for the cars. If you're watching this video and you filled it out, can you please go back to it and add your phone number? I've been messaging a bunch of people on WhatsApp, doing video calls, swapping rims, and doing a bunch of stuff. I think it's great that everyone filled out the Google form. And then on WhatsApp, I'll be able to like just get more, like send more things quicker. So if you filled out a Google form on there, shout out to you. We already sold the white Vamos. We sold the Mini Cooper, the Rover Mini. We sold that Jeep Daihatsu Naked. We sold the Orthia. We sold the gray Honda Street today. The 2-wheel drive Every Van is pending, and all those came through Patreon, which is just beautiful for me to see that it's actually working because, like I said before I even got here, like, I wouldn't say I'm learning. I mean, yeah, I'm learning. I'm learning and growing together in this. Like, of course, I know how to import cars. I've been doing it for the last couple of years back home. But you guess, like, working with the customer and exporting for someone outside of myself is something that I'm kind of learning. Like, some people don't want wheels. I think everyone should get wheels. Some people don't want batteries. Some people, you know, ask a lot of questions. Some people ask no questions. And I don't mind either way. But it's just cool that, like, I'm no longer doing it for myself. I'm kind of having to, you know, cater to this person. Let's say I really like a car because it has tri-spokes. They might hate it because it has tri-spokes. So it's kind of like, okay, whatever the customer wants, we'll do it that way. So that's been pretty fun just to see. That's good news. Like, to see that what I want to happen if I move out here for a year longer. Like, for me just being here 3 weeks, I already sold like 6 cars, which is pretty cool. I think the mirror walkthrough also might be sold. It's going to be headed to Texas, which is pretty cool. So that's cool. That's like I said cool 50 times just now, but I'm very happy with that, the way that that's going right now. The Google form for parts is coming soon to Patreon. Now that, in a way, I'm getting a little more established with everything, the tribe blowing up just wasn't in my plans. That's probably the biggest con, but there's even bigger things happening. But yeah, Google form for parts coming soon to Patreon. Everyone on Patreon, just be a little patient. Update on the giveaway, we're down to allows 130 slots. The paper's over there, so that should be filling up soon. In my personal opinion, maybe live drawing, I want to say first week of April. Maybe like April 4th, 5th, 6th. I would say maybe 5th or 6th, that weekend. Usually when it gets to the low hundreds, people get FOMO and they all buy in, so that's coming soon. Update on the giveaway. I know I just mentioned a lot of cars sold, but we also just bought a clean Sandbar truck, 99, 2 99 Hi-Jet trucks, 1 99 Suzuki Carry. So all these are going to be added to the giveaway that weren't there before. 1 very nice Honda Light 5-speed. I'll show a picture of it right now. I bought a Toyota Will, which I would love to take home, but it's part of the giveaway because the old Will that David had is sold. We bought that Tri-Camper that I showed you guys, and then we also got a 4-wheel drive, 2 actually. So we have 1 4-wheel drive Daihatsu Naked Turbo that's automatic with fog lights, and then we have another Daihatsu Naked 4-wheel drive Turbo that is 5-speed with a wing, no fog lights. So about 7 to 8 cars. We're actually going to go to the auction in a couple days. I'm going to see if I get some more K-Vans and just things that I feel like are worth it. You know what I mean? So about 7 cars added, 7 cars taken off. Another big flaw from everything that's happening right now is I record videos at a lot, the Car Deal Page lot. It isn't their full lot. So I made a video going over the giveaway. I made a video doing the flash sale. Apparently those videos are taken at a bonded yard. I don't even really know much to say about it, but they contacted Car Deal Page and told them that they didn't want those videos on social media. So I had to delete them, which is just super frustrating because I spent hours editing, responding to comments, recording, for me to just delete it. So that was probably one of the biggest cons that's currently happening right now, and that we haven't been able to go back to record videos. So that's really the bread and butter of what I'm doing. It's going to the auction, buying a card, bringing it to that yard, and then taking a video and showing the customer or showing you guys, hey, I would love to show you a video on my wheel, but I can't. I would love to show you a video on the Sandbar, on the Life, on the Tri-Camper, on the Naked, everything, but I can't. So we're trying to figure out a way where we can move those cars to another yard where I'll be able to make videos. I'll be able to show you guys swapping wheels. I'll be able to show you guys everything, installing H4s. That's kind of like the biggest con that's happening right now. The Tri blowing up is annoying, but, you know, not being able to do my job is probably the most frustrating part right now. And because I had to delete those videos, I know I said I was going to give away 2 free slots. I had to delete it, and I didn't even write down, you know, everyone's comment. So in this video, if you made it this far, hopefully you did, I'm going to give away 2 more slots. So this one for sure, just comment a number between 1 and 1,500. I'll write it down right now. I don't want to write it down because you guys might even see what I'm going to write. But comment a number between 1 and 1,500. I'm going to give away 2 free slots in this video. Maybe we do 2 free slots like this weekend or something. Then I'm giving away 4 free slots on Patreon. I'll put those results out probably this weekend as well. And then yeah, road to 40K. We are currently at, we're pretty close. I think we can get to 40K for this month's over. We're at 38.4. We got 5 days left. If you're watching this video, subscribe to the channel, please. Let's get to 40K ASAP. Like, I think that's a really big milestone for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to update you guys on that. You know, a couple bad things, couple good things. You guys will see the Tri video soon. And 2 free slots. Sold a bunch of cars. Shout out to everybody on Patreon. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.